This AI tool is shaking up the US tech industry and sparking debates in the media business about ethics and the future of jobs. Okay, this one's weird. There's now a viral AI tool that lets you place deceased icons, like past celebrities, into freshly generated videos, and people are freaking out. You might have seen clips online: Michael Jackson, Marilyn Monroe, Tupac, appearing in scenes they never filmed. This is no old photo trick. It's AI, reconstructing face, voice, mannerisms. The big question: should we ban it? On the yes side, it feels exploitative. It risks erasing consent. Families, estates, they never signed off. It blurs reality. On the no side, there is creative potential. Documentaries, art, memorial tributes. Done responsibly, maybe there's a place. My take? This tool should face strict guardrails, not a full ban, because the tech isn't going away. We need laws about consent, likeness rights, moral use. Because once you let AI rewrite history, that's when things get dangerous. What do you think? Ban it outright, regulate it, or embrace the future carefully? Stay tuned for more trending updates on AI and tech. Quick, exciting, and straight to the point. Save time and stay informed in just minutes. Love AI, robotics, and futuristic tech? Subscribe for short, trending global tech stories. Explained simply, explained smartly.